I'm tired all the time. It's like I just need something to get moving, just to get motivated. But something healthy, you know, there ain't nothing healthy no more. I just want some motivation. What?
STS.
Huh?
STS. 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 STS.
If you're looking for a high energetic training that is life-changing, you need to come join us in Lubbock tomorrow and get the most life-changing experience of your life and join us in the Herbalife family!